Hello everyone, I'm B and today I'll be unboxing what I ordered from grocery. Okay, since COVID-19 we have been staying home and we have been ordering a lot of online delivery. So one particular grocery that I like is 1004 Gourmet. So I'm going to show you what I ordered. Okay, first item is this bun here. It's called the choco cream. So inside there is chocolate, inside the bread. It's quite hard to find bakery stores in Abu Dhabi, so I especially like this bread here. Okay, next up we have this seaweed. This seaweed that is wasabi brand, so this is for the children. I've ordered 6 of these. Okay, next up we have the luncheon meat. It's not so easy to get pork here, so we have 3 here. And then this one is oyster sauce, Panda brand. This is a very popular brand, so I usually get in Singapore, so I'm very glad to find it here also. Next up is seaweed again, the big sheet seaweed, okay, also for my children. I got this baking soda since I cannot go to the store. So I'm very glad to find this baking soda in this store. Okay, and this big one over here, okay, there is a tofu, what we call tau gua. So I also ordered 3. And this one is what I'm trying, is kimchi. Okay, so sometimes I like to have something a little bit spicy, and I thought it would be nice to have this. And next up is this pork belly. So there's lots of minced pork also. Okay, so what I like about 1004 is that they usually take about 2 days to deliver. So I pretty much order in advance. So if you like to order your groceries here in Abu Dhabi, you can click the link description below. Okay, so I hope you enjoy my video and thank you. Have a nice day. See you again in my next video.